guys, my name is Tanya. Today we will learn the Irene stem from Sherlock. This melody is short and consists from repetitive parts, so we will learn it in one go. That's it, let's get started. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time, bye! Hi guys, my name is Tanya. Hi guys, my name is Tanya.